Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Isaac's Physics Classroom. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions on chapter number 10, light reflection and refraction. Focal length of plane mirror is. So we have four options. The answer is infinity. The focal length and radius of curvature of plane mirror is infinity, whereas in case of concave mirror, the focal length and radius of curvature is negative, and in case of convex mirror, the radius of curvature and focal length is positive. Image formed by plane mirror is. The answer is virtual and erect. And the magnification of the plane mirror is equal to 1. So image size and object size should be always equal. In case of convex mirror, the magnification is less than 1. In case of concave mirror, the magnification is greater than 1. And in case of convex mirror, we have only virtual images. In case of concave mirror, we have both virtual and real images. And in case of plane mirror, we have only virtual images. A concave mirror gives real inverted and same size image if the object is placed. If the object is placed at C, the image size and object size should be equal and it is inverted and real in case of concave mirror. And in case of convex lens also, if you placed the object at 2f, the image will be at 2f, inverted and same size. The power of the lens is minus 40 diopter, its focal length is. So minus means it is a concave lens. The focal length of a concave lens is negative and also the power is negative. And in case of convex lens, the focal length is positive and also the power is positive. And the focal length of when the power is given, the equation is F equal to 1 by P. So 1 by 40 means it is 0.025. That means 0.25 centimeter. This is a concave lens, so it is minus 2.5 centimeter. In optics, an object which has higher refractive index is called. Higher refractive index called it is known as optical denser. If the refractive index is high, the velocity of light in that medium is low. That is, refractive index n is equal to c by v. The ratio of velocity of light in vacuum divided by velocity of light in medium. So the refractive index is high means the velocity in that medium is low. The optical phenomena twinkling of stars is due to. So we have a lot of phenomena there. The twinkling of stars is due to the atmospheric refraction. Convex lens focus a real point-sized image at focus. The object is placed. The object is placed at infinity. When object is placed at infinity, the image should be point size and real and inverted. The unit of power of lens is, that is diopter. Diopter is the unit of power of lens. The radius of curvature of a mirror is 20 centimeter. The focal length is, so we have the equation r equal to f. So f is equal to r by 2. So 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 centimeter. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is negative and focal length is negative. In case of convex mirror is the focal length and radius of curvature is positive. When a plane mirror is rotated through a certain angle, the reflected ray turns through twice as much and the size of the image. There is no change for the size of the image because it is a plane mirror, so remains same. If an object is placed symmetrically between two plane mirrors, inclined at an angle of 72 degree, the number of images formed. So total number of images n equal to 360 divided by theta minus 1. So here theta is 72. So 360 by 72 that is 5. 5 minus 1 that is 4. So total images 4. Which statement is true for the reflection of flight? So we know the laws of reflection. The angle of incidence and angle of reflections are equal. So that's a true statement. The image shows the path of incident ray to a concave mirror. Where should the reflected ray meet for the image formation to take place? An object is placed beyond C. The image is between C and F. In similar manner, the object is placed between C and F. The image is at beyond C. An object is placed at distance 40 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. The image produced is real, inverted, and same size. Because when an object is placed at C, the image is also formed at C, same size, inverted. So we don't go for the calculations. If you want to go for the calculation, we'll get the same answer. We have the equation 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we have f and u, so we get v. But you don't go for the calculations because it is very clear the focal length 20 and image distance is double of the focal length, that is c. So when this object is placed at c, the image is also at c, a same size and real inverted. A student conducts an experiment using a convex lens. He places an object at a distance of 60 centimeter in front of the lens and observes that the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter behind the lens. What is the power of the lens? So we have the expression for focal length. For in case of lenses, we have 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So here the object distance is u is minus 60 and the image distance, that is behind the lens, so v is positive. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, that is 1 by 30 minus 1 by minus 60. So it become 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. So it become 1 by f equal to 90 by 1800, or f is equal to 1800 by 90. So we get the f is equal to 20 centimeter. One thing is remain in mind is that if you're calculating the power of lens, the focal length should be in meter. So we are getting the focal length 20 centimeter. So it is zero point 0.2 meter. So p equal to 1 by f. So 1 by zero point 0.2 means it is 5 diopter. So option is C, 5 diopter. So in case of convex and concave lenses, the focal length of equation 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. In case of mirror, we have the equation 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. And magnification is equal to minus v by u for mirror and m equal to v by u for lens. An image of an object produced in a screen which is about 36 centimeters using a convex lens. The image produced is about 3 times the size of the object. And what is the object distance? So we have the equation m equal to v by u. So we have image distance is there, that is 36. So u is equal to 36 by 3, that is 12 centimeters. So we have equation m equal to v by u. So u is equal to v by m. So 36 by 3, that is 12 centimeters. Image formed by a convex spherical mirror is. So in case of a spherical convex mirror, we always getting a virtual images. In case of concave lens, we have also virtual images. In case of concave mirror, we have both real and virtual images. But in case of concave lens, we have only virtual images. But in case of convex lens, we have both real and virtual images. Rahul conducted an experiment using an object of height 10 centimeter and a concave lens focal length 20 centimeter. The object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from the lens. An image is formed on a screen. So we are performing the experiment using concave lens. So in case of concave lens, we are only getting a virtual images. So no, as the image formed will be virtual. So we don't want to go for the calculation purpose because we know that in case of a concave lens, we will get only virtual images. In similar manner, we have in convex mirror, we have only virtual images. Magnification produced by a real view mirror fitted in vehicle is always less than 1 because we are using convex mirror. In case of convex mirror, the magnification is less than 1. In case of concave mirror, it is greater than 1. In case of plane mirror, is equal to 1. A student conducts an activity using a concave mirror with focal length 10 centimeter. He placed an object 15 centimeter from the mirror. Where is the image likely to form? So, while for calculation purpose, which is we have the equation for that 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So before that, we just go through the options. We all know that the focal length is 10 and the object distance 15. That means the object is placed between f and 2f or f and c. So if it's placed between f and c, the image is beyond f, beyond 2f, beyond c. That means beyond f means beyond 20 centimeters. So options, we have two options, B and D, beyond 20. But we are picking the options D because the image formed in case of concave mirror when it's placed between F and C, the image is real. That means in front of the mirror. So without the calculations, we can just simply find the uh, options by knowing the nature of the image. The mirror having reflecting surface curved inwards. So curved inwards means it is concave. When curved outward means it is convex. The image of an object placed in front of a convex mirror is formed at the convex mirror. We always get a image that is behind the mirror. It is a virtual images. A full length of image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen using. We can use a convex mirror because we are using a concave mirror. We are getting a real image. That means we want to use the screen for the image formation, but full length image of a distant object when used definitely by using a convex mirror because we all know that rear view mirror is using for the in vehicles we are using convex mirror because the distant objects can be seen very nearly. So the full length of image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen using a convex mirror. Which of the following can make a parallel beam of light from a point source incident on it? So that is convex mirror as well as convex lens. You all know that when the rays are parallel to the principal axis, the concave mirror converges the rays to the point as principal focus, and the convex lens also converges the point. So that's why it's the both is known as converging. Concave mirror is known as converging mirror, and convex lens is known as converging lens. A student studies that the speed of light in air is 3 lakh kilometer per second. Word that the speed of glass slab is about 1 lakh 97,000 kilometers per second. What caused the difference in the speed of light in these two medium? The difference in the refractive index. That means the refractive index of air is very less in that compared to the refractive index of glass or any other. Because the refractive index increases, the velocity of light in that medium will decreases. Which of the following ray diagram correct for the ray of light incident on a concave mirror as shown in figure? So we have a concave mirror there and the ray is parallel to the principal axis. We all know that if the ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will converge to a point. The point is known as principal focus. So the figure D is the correct option. Which of the following ray diagrams is correct to the ray of light incident on the lens as shown in figures? We have a convex lens and the ray is which is point to the principal focus, so it will parallel to the principal axis. So option uh, A is the correct option. A child is standing in front of a magic mirror. She finds the image of her head bigger, the middle portion of the body of same size, and the legs smaller. The following is the order of combination of the magnification magic mirror for the top from the top. So we all know that the magnification of convex is less than 1 and concave is greater than 1 and plane mirror is equal to 1. So we have magic mirror and the image her head bigger. Head bigger means it is a concave. So first concave we have only C option. So C concave, plane and convex. So concave means it is a magnification is greater than 1, plane equal to 1 and convex is less than 1. That's why his legs are smaller size and bodies are in same size and concave head is in bigger size. Which of the following the image of an object placed at infinity will be highly diminished and point sized? So in case of all the combination concave mirror, convex mirror and concave lens and convex, we have getting an diminished, highly diminished images. Light travel faster in. So we have four different medias: water, air, glass and diamond, and the refractive index of air is compared to water and glass and diamonds is very less, so the light is faster in air. A student used device X to obtain a focus the image of a well-illuminated distant building on a screen S as shown alongside in the diagram. Select the correct statement about the device X. So we all know that the X is a lens and S is screen. If the object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at principal focus. So the distance between screen and lens is focal length. So here is a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeters is the correct option. Because object is placed at infinity, the image is formed at principal focus. So the distance between screen and lens is focal length of the lens. And in this here there is a case the image is real. So that means it is convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter. A student obtained a sharp image of distant window of a school laboratory on the screen S using the given concave mirror. Determines focal length. Which of the following distance should be measured to get the focal length of the mirror? We all know that if the object is placed at infinity, in case of convex and concave mirror, convex lens and concave mirror, the image is formed at principal focus. So here the screen is placed at the principal focus. So distance between the mirror and screen is focal length. So option MS is the correct option. The mirror having reflecting surface curved outward. Sorry, inward is concave and outward is convex mirror. Deviation of light ray from its path when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called it is refraction. In case of refraction, the light travel from rarer to denser. The ray bend towards normal, and from denser to rarer, it's away from the normal. And convex lens is also known as converging lens, and also the concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. In case of concave lens, this is divergent lens, and as also convex mirror is also diverging mirror. The image is formed behind the mirror. The image is formed behind the mirror means virtual image. In case of lens, the image formed behind the lens is real image. An object is placed at a distance 0.25 centimeters, 0.25 meter in front of a plane mirror. The distance between the object and image will be the object distance image distance will be same. So the distance between object and image is 0.25 plus 0.25, that is 0.5 meter. The angle of incidence for a ray of light having zero reflection angle is so reflection is zero. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. So I equal to 0 and R equal to 0. For a real object, which of the following can produce a real image? That is concave mirror. So in case of plane mirror and convex mirror, we are getting and also in concave lens, we are getting a virtual images. Which of the following mirror is used by a dentist to examine a small cavity? We are using a concave mirror. Rear view mirror is convex mirror. But in this case of dentist using our concave mirror. An object at a distance of 30 centimeter from a concave mirror gets the image at the same point. The focal length of the mirror is the focal length of mirror is minus 15 because in the case of concave mirror means the focal length is negative and the object distance is 30 centimeter. That is the object distance 30 and image is also formed at same point means the object is placed at C. We are getting the object is placed at C. We are getting a image at C inverted at same size. So the radius of curvature is 30. So focal length is F is equal to R by 2 and R equal to F. This equation is only applicable for mirrors, not for lenses. So F equal to R by 2. So 30 by 2 is minus 15 and it is minus means it is a concave mirror. In case of concave mirror and concave lens, the focal length is negative. The objective distance of plus 15 centimeters slowly moved towards the pole of a convex mirror. The image will be diminished and virtual. A concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeters placed in water. The focal length in air and water difference between. There is no change for the radius of curvature of mirror because the refractive index does not depend upon the focal length. But in case of lens, it depends. So here is no change. There is no change means there is no difference between the focal length. So the answer is 0. A concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter forms an image having twice the size of an object. For the vertical position of object, the position of object will be at. So we have the equation for m equal to minus v by u and also we have m equal to f by f minus u. So here we have focal length is minus 20 because it is concave mirror and also we know that the magnification is 2 because it's having an image twice the size of an object. So magnification is 2. So using m equal to f by f minus u, m equal to 2 and f equal to minus 20. So 2 is equal to minus 20 by minus 20 minus u. So solving this minus u, we will get minus 10. It is virtual. Virtual means and it's on left side. So it has 10 centimeter. Here we are using the equation m equal to f by f minus u. And the nature of image forms by a concave mirror when the object is placed between F and center of curvature. The mirror observed by you as is we have real inverted and enlarged. Because the object placed is between F and C, we will get a real inverted and enlarged image. And similar manner, if it's placed beyond C, the image is real inverted and small size. As light travels from a rarer to denser medium, it will have the both B and C its degrees of velocity and also decrease the wavelength because we all know that the equation of refractive index sin I by sin r is equal to n2 by n1 is equal to v1 by v2 is equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. That means the velocity and wavelength decreases when the refractive index increases. The refractive index of transparent medium is greater than 1 because the speed of light in vacuum is greater than speed of light in transparent medium? Because we all know that speed of light in vacuum is very greater as compared to all that medium. It is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The refractive index of water is 1.33. The speed of light in water will be, it will be 2.26 because refractive index n is equal to c by v, where v equal to c by n. So c is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8. 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 1.33 become 2.26 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The light from sun falls on a convex lens will converge at a point, and point is known as principal focus. In case of concave mirror also, when the light converges to a point, that point is known as principal focus. The large number of thin strips of black paint are made on a surface of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter to catch the image of a white horse. The image will be, so we have four options. In case of convex lens, we have using a thin strips. The light from the thin strips are blocked, so we'll get a image as of less brighter. We are not getting a zebra, we will getting a less brighter image because if you're using a thin strips, the light from the that portion is blocked by using thin strips, so we're getting a lesser images or lesser light to form a image, so we're getting a hose of less brightness. So these are some MCQ questions on based on the chapter 10. So hope that it's all the equations are clear. If you have any doubts, please ask through comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you.